Hello friends, my name is Kiran Sharma. I am parenting coach, student expert and founder of A1 Academy. So friends, nowadays parents are not focused on their kids' achievements because they are busy in their work. Some parents are not appreciating their kids' achievements. Do you know why should parents appreciate their kids' achievements? So today I will tell you a story about Michael Jordan. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it and press bell icon. So friends, as I told you, I will tell you a story about Michael Jordan. Uh, he belongs to a poor family. His father was not able to earn enough money to survive. One day, his father got an idea and he went to he went to Michael with a old t-shirt and asked him, "What is the cost of this t-shirt?" Michael replied, $1. And his father told him, "Go and sell it in $2." Michael did not think it is not possible. He focused on how can it be possible. So he got an idea and he bought the t-shirt and pressed it and went to market and he walked 8 hours. At last he went to a railway station and he sold the t-shirt in $2. In the evening he went to his father and told him, "Dad, this is $2." His father appreciated him. You did well, you are genius. And the next day Michael's father came to Michael again with a old t-shirt and asked him, "What is the cost of this t-shirt?" Michael told him $1. Now Michael's father told him, "Go and sell it in $20." So Michael did not think it is not possible. He focused on how can it be possible. Okay, so he was thinking how can it be possible, how can it be possible, and he got an idea. He went to market with his friend and he bought a Mickey Mouse sticker and he pasted on the t-shirt and he went to the school where richest kids used to study. He stood there till 4 hours. At last, one kid was telling his father, "Dad, I need this Mickey Mouse t-shirt." His father bought the t-shirt for his son and he gave him $20 cost of t-shirt and $5 as a tip. Michael was happy and he went to his father and told him, "Dad, this is $25. I sold the t-shirt in $20 and I got $5 as a tip." Michael's father again appreciated him. "Michael, you did well. You are genius. You are an achiever." So after few days, Michael's father came to Michael again and with an old t-shirt and told him, "What is the cost of this t-shirt?" He told $1. Now Michael's father told him, "Go and sell it in $200. How many dollars? $200. So Michael did not think how can this possible or it is not possible. He focused on how can it be possible. How can it be possible? He was thinking few days. How can it be possible? 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 Suddenly he heard a news on the television. The Hollywood actress Farah came to near his city. After hearing this news, Michael made some posters and he rushed by train. Anyhow, he reached to Farah and he was telling, "Ma'am, I need your autograph on my t-shirt. Please give me your autograph." As he was a 12 or 13 years old kid, so she could not deny. Finally, she gave autograph on the t-shirt. Michael was very happy and he went to the market and he opened his poster with message, "T-shirt autographed by Farah is in only $200." So while looking the poster, so many people came to him and they were bargaining. I will give this t-shirt, for this t-shirt, $300, $400, $500, $1,000. At last, a person came to Michael and told him, "I need this t-shirt. I will give you $2,000. I'll give you $2,000. Finally, Michael sold the t-shirt in $2,000. At last, in the evening, he went to his father and told him, "Dad, I sold the t-shirt in $2,000. His father was very happy and he appreciated him. "Michael, you are genius. You are achiever. You can achieve anything in your life." So friends, here I want to tell about, according his father, Michael was a good businessman. Nevertheless, he is a sportsman. And Michael's father always appreciated his achievement. He did not force to do business because he knew it. Michael had a different intelligence, so he supported his interest towards basketball. So today, Michael known as father of basketball. So friends, every child has their own intelligence. Friends, do you know how many types of human intelligence are there? I will explain the types of human intelligences in my new video. So friends, stay home, stay safe and stay healthy.